Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. In today's episode, we are going to be talking about a lot of different coins. We're going to be talking about Zilliqa, Uniswap, Avalanche, Ethereum, and BTC. Well, today is an exciting day because yesterday's video did predict Bitcoin's move today. So if you guys missed yesterday's episode, please take a look at this one, because I did let you guys know that Bitcoin was going to drop to $15,700 in less than 42 hours. My prediction came to fruition in less than 24 hours. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, technical analysis does work. There's a little bit of formula to this madness. Okay, so if you take a look at BTC, right now we are actually climbing a little bit up. As you can see, the lowest week went all the way down to around 15,717. As you can see right over here, this was the lowest point, and we ended up going all the way down to 15,715. Now, a lot of you might be wondering, like, hey, what was I supposed to do, since yesterday the price of BTC was sort of ranging, going down and then going up. So just like I told you in yesterday's episode, please take a look at yesterday's episode, because I gave you the formula. Okay, you're not really going to catch the absolute top, right? So all you have to do is dollar cost average. Let's say, for example, you start shorting around this particular area, right? Let's say you start shorting around 16,383, right? If the price goes down, you add another price. If you add another entry. If the price goes up above, you also have to add another entry, because you know that the overall trend is obviously going to end up going down. And I did let you know that we are obviously going to end up making lower lows and lower highs, because now we sort of came to an exhaustion of this particular uptrend. We topped out around 16,500, and this right over here was a Wyckoff distribution theory. So if you guys I'm sure you have already heard me talk about the Wyckoff distribution, right? So we obviously ended up having this particular pattern, and this was the last the distribution phase at this particular moment. Now you have to understand that obviously BTC is very bullish in the future and it's going to continue going up, but you have to understand that the market moves in phases. So these theories do really help. Elliott wave, Wyckoff theory, distribution and accumulation, plus a whole lot of different strategies that you can utilize to identify where the trend is going to be going. So in case you guys really want to find the best trading method, right, you have to use the triple screen method. In this particular case, right, since we were having we were expecting the 4 hour to continue being bearish, right? Because one, we did look at the MACD. The MACD did have this bearish crossover on the 4 hourly, right? So in order for you to be profitable, all you have to do is short the 1 hour pumps. Okay, so every time you have a situation where the 1 hour pumps, you just simply short and then do your thing. So all you have to do is identify the trend in a bigger time frame and just use the triple screen methodology. In case you guys really want to find out more information about how you can improve your trades, please email me, and then I'm going to give you thorough tutorials, and we're going to talk about how I can help you improve your trading strategies, because this is pretty amazing. Technical analysis is basically mathematics. It's just math. Okay, all these indicators are just mathematics based. That's it. Okay, so anyhow, let's talk about other things. Okay, so Zilliqa, by the way, I really think that BTC is going to end up bouncing off of the 15,500 level, then continue going up, continue going up high, and then gradually forming a lower high. So this is what I'm expecting BTC to do, and then bounce, then continue going down like that, okay, till we reach 14,000. So we have to have at least a very good significant 15 to 20%. So best believe this short downtrend is just the beginning. We're obviously going to have some more bearish days, so probably the whole lot of next week. By the way, today is the 14th of November. The whole lot of next week is going to be a very bearish one for BTC. So I don't really know exactly what the altcoins are going to be doing, and this is one of the reasons why perhaps maybe we might see like a price surge in terms of altcoins. So obviously things like Zilliqa, Uniswap, AVAX are going to end up doing pretty well, because when the BTC dominance reduces, historically speaking, a lot of alternative cryptocurrencies just end up doing tremendously well. So while BTC is going to be ranging, when BTC is going to be ranging, right after that particular down turn is over, the alts are going to sort of rally. And this is one of the reasons why cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum are going to be like very good buying opportunities, because Ethereum is going to be very explosive by December 1st. Okay, so this is one of the reasons why you shouldn't like really rush. Just wait for the market to like give you like a very good buying signal. Okay, so as far as Zilliqa is concerned, Zilliqa is doing pretty well. I mean, it's holding, it's like less than 2 cents, and it's been doing tremendously well. This is one of the reasons why Zilliqa has to be like in your cryptocurrency portfolio, because this thing is going to be explosive. I have told you like thousands and thousands of times before. All you got to do is practice a little bit of patience, and you guys are going to reap the rewards pretty soon. So right now I can't really say much, because everything is depending on the price of BTC. But of course, if you just take a look at the TD sequential right now, we are on the 9th TD sequential on the daily. So that's obviously going to like sort of be like very hard for us to like propel to the upside. So perhaps we might have a situation where we have like a little bit of a down day, a few down days, and then we're just going to have like a little bit of a correction. So best believe going to around $0.018 is going to be something which is going to be like a very good huge buying opportunity. So anything which is going to be like that, yeah, that's going to be like a very good buying area in general. So all the way to around $0.016. So just dollar cost average. The name of the game right now is dollar cost average your way into the next bull run. Okay, so don't really get it twisted, don't really get lost in the sauce, because the game plan is very simple. Just dollar cost average, and you guys are going to be tremendous. You guys are going to do absolutely fine. Okay, if we take a look at Uniswap, right, Uniswap has been blowing like crazy, man. The other days, I mean like a week ago, the price of Uniswap was around $2.66. Right now it's actually appreciated by about $1. Okay, $3.66. So I'm actually taking a keen look at this particular cryptocurrency, because as we talk right now, it is absolutely smashing it like crazy. Okay, so let's take a look at the 4 hour. Right, the 4 hour has been nasty. Okay, and this is a very good buying opportunity, obviously, and a good trading opportunity. And as you can see right now, we're just transitioning into positive buying power. As you can see, the the green indicator right over there is like showing us like very good buying momentum, which is coming through. And this only started happening on the 5th of November. So we have obviously had like a few good days of absolute price action, absolute amazing price action as far as Uniswap is concerned. But one concerning thing that I can talk about Uniswap is the 9th TD sequential day right over here. This is the the last day. Of course, we can have like a few days where the price might really rally. It might go up high, but it's not really going to go exponentially high, because we have obviously sort of come to an exhaustion of this daily TD sequential. So if you ended up investing in Uniswap like around this particular area, right, then obviously getting to like take a little bit of profits off of the table is something which is not really like a bad idea, because we might end up going down to around this particular area, $3 and below. Okay, so if that happens, just dollar cost average. Otherwise, Uniswap is a very good long term. I think it's really going to reach $20 by March 2021. So best believe you can really end up making quite a lot of money. So you guys already know that I am super bullish about Uniswap. Now let's move over to Avalanche. We are around $3.44. Market cap 83 million US dollars, 23 million 24-hour trading volume. So there hasn't been much happening with AVAX, and to be honest with you, AVAX is like Ethereum in 2015, 2016. So there's like absolutely a lot of opportunity, a lot of upside potential, and you really have to make sure that you have it like at least on your portfolio, man. You need to because it's one of those amazing cryptocurrencies which are very revolutionary in terms of the protocols, because they have the Avalanche protocol is like a new protocol, and this is something which has never been done before in cryptocurrency. So this is a very unique coin to hold and just to have, because it's going to be very explosive, especially during the next bull run. So this is what I'm obviously going to be dollar cost averaging. And looking at the previous low, right, the lowest price point that it was at was around $2.98, and right now we're on $3.44. So we just have like a little bit of down room. We only have about 10%, 11% risk, so just dollar cost average, and you guys are going to overall do very well. So when it comes to Ethereum, right, I'm really looking forward to like longing Ethereum, but of course I'm just waiting patiently, and I'm obviously going to give you like a separate dedicated Ethereum ETH video, because I really want you guys not to miss out on the gains which are going to be happening. Now look at this, Uniswap absolutely smashing it. Like, what's happening with Uniswap? Oh yeah, before I forget, I think Uniswap is going to be having like Uniswap 2.0 or is it 3.0? They're going to be like upgrading and just creating something else. So this is one of the reasons maybe why we are having like these explosive gains on Uniswap. So I really hope that you guys hold a little bit of Uniswap, because I really believe that it might continue doing very well, and today it is actually showing a lot of resilience, and that is absolutely good. So what are the immediate support price levels that we are having? So right now it's actually bouncing off of the support, the 15-minute support, which is very good, but you should always like leave a little bit of room for the downside, because we are having like shaky market situations right now as far as BTC is concerned. So just take a look at that and just see what you have to do. So dollar cost average, remember, I am not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Whatever you do, please do your own due diligence. I make a lot of mistakes, and my trading journey has been filled with a lot of lessons, with a lot of pain, with a lot of emotional instability, but I'm finally working my way through everything. I'm really improving, and I'm really loving my progress as far as just taking advantage and just taking control and being in charge of my mental, emotional stability when it comes to trading, because there's a lot of emotions that really go into this. So I just want to like urge you out there, if you guys are just starting out, right, just be patient, just do it every day. At least try to sharpen your skills like on a daily basis, and you guys are going to be seeing these moves from a mile away. Okay, we were able to like predict the pump from 15,300 to 16,400 because of TA. We were able to identify that particular move has come to an exhaustion, and the price is going to drop to 15,700. That is TA. Technical analysis is basically mathematics. Okay, mathematics in relation to the price and the trading action. That's it. That's all you need to know. Okay, so you guys can do it. You can do it. And you guys are going to be extremely rich next bull run, next bull market. So anyways, it's been your boy Muna, aka Beyond 10x. In case you've got any queries or suggestions, or if you really want to like get some trading tutorials from me personally, please email me. My email is going to be like on my YouTube channel. So yeah, you guys can figure it out. So anyhow, talk to you a little bit later. Bye.